Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. It's Christmas Eve and I have opened the very last box of Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar. The calendar went on pre-sale, I think it was back in October, and sold out right away. If Spellbinders offers it again in 2023, I highly recommend it. It was filled with so many fun crafty goodies. Lots of dies, stamps, embellishments, embossing folders, even a couple of mini stencil sets. Here's a look at my sad advent calendar. Several of my pieces shifted to other boxes. So in my videos, I didn't show opening most of the windows. I wanted to make sure not to reveal any of the other day's goodies. Here is the full reveal of all the different crafty goodies that were included in Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar. It was a lot of fun using all the different products for daily cards. And I did share my daily card in a shorts. I started a second YouTube channel that's dedicated just to shorts videos. And I will have a link for that in the description box below. You can also see all of my cards on my coordinating blog post. I have pictures of all 24 cards that I made. Although I actually made 25 on day 2, I made 2 cards, I just changed the colors. I used a wide variety of pattern papers from different companies, and I also used some of the leftovers of Spellbinders December 2022 card kit. I don't always have time to go back into a card kit, so it was nice to use up some of the leftovers. Other than some of the standard circle dies, all of the stamps and dies I use for the cards are from Spellbinders. And as I was opening more boxes throughout the month, I combined many of the different products for my cards. So on some cards, I think I might have used 4 or 5 days worth of goodies. What made this even more fun is that my daughter Penny decided to craft along with me. She made a card every day using whatever crafty item was inside the box, and she did an amazing job. I shared her card every day along with mine in my Instagram stories, and so many people sent me messages complimenting her beautiful cards. I read all of those messages to her, and it really brightened her day. If you want a closer look at Penny's cards, I have photographed every single one, and I've shared all of them on my coordinating blog post. My daughter also used a wide variety of pattern papers from different companies, and she didn't keep track of what she was using, she just enjoyed the process. She doesn't make cards very often, so this was a lot of card making for her within less than a month. I know she's added them all into her little card box, so now she's ready if she needs to give out a card to someone. We both had a lot of fun using Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar and really hope that there's a new one for next year. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope everyone has a very lovely Merry Christmas.